Hello guys, yes, welcome back to my channel, Team Elegant Natural Beauty and Fabulous channel. If you're new, you're welcome, and if you're old, you are super welcome. Please check below, you see the subscribe button. Click on the subscribe button and subscribe to this channel, and don't forget to turn on your notification bell so that you'll be the first to get notified anytime I upload a new video. On today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to make a protein shake that will increase your backside. Alright guys, who doesn't want their backside to increase? I want mine to increase, so I have been taking this for some days now and it has been helping me, so I decided to share with you guys. So if you are a passerby, you've not subscribed, please consider subscribing, and to all my lovely subscribers, thank you so much for subscribing. Alright guys, so without wasting much time, let's jump right into this video. In the course of this video, I'm going to be sharing with you all the amazing benefits of this protein shake, and I'm sure it's going to do something wonderful to someone. Alright guys, so first I have here with me mango. I'll be needing 4 ingredients for this protein shake. Mango protein shake is very good in improving the backside because mango shake is highly beneficial in gaining weight because of the presence of adequate amount of protein both in yogurt and mango. The underweight people can drink mango shake regularly during summer. 150 grams of mango has about 86 calories and starch, easily converted into sugar, thereby helps in weight gain. This is the most important health benefit of mango shake. However, obese people should avoid drinking mango shake. So guys, what you're gonna be doing is that you don't just take this protein shake, you also need to be doing exercises that will improve your backside. I tell you the truth guys, the fastest way to increase your backside is by adding a little bit of weight. I know there are a lot of creams out there, and then also massage method helps, but I tell you, you need a little bit of fat to help you gain weight on your backside. And also the exercise is also very important. I'm also emphasizing on it. You need to be doing exercises that will help this fat deposit in the right area. refrigerator. Go ahead and pour it inside. Wow, very nice. Alright, beautiful people, hope you enjoyed the video. Hope the video was helpful. Please, if this video was helpful, consider subscribing. See you on my next video.